Good evening, everyone. The exponential expression p through z, I chose this obviously because my last name is Teeter. So my expression here is 2x to the fourth power, y to the negative third power, and all of that to the negative first power. And to solve this, we're going to be using this rule here, a to the negative n equals fraction, where we put negatives in the denominator to make it a positive. So going on with that, we have 2x to the fourth power times basically putting y to the negative third, like I said, in that fraction here, putting this into the denominator, all of that, raising this to the negative first power. So then having that, we'll put 2x to the fourth power in the numerator and keeping y to the, y cubed in the denominator, and we still have this negative over here. So to cancel that, we have to remember that negative exponents change after placing them in the denominator. So then we eventually get rid of it by flipping, so the reciprocal of that. So then we'll have y cubed over 2x to the fourth power. And there is our simplified expression.